you already bring up a good point about attracting new agents, right? So while the focus of today is talking about what y'all are doing to prevent agents from having to cold call, and the mindset around that is, okay, this is a lead for me. I would like to explore a little bit what it might mean as a lead for another agent. If you're a team leader or a broker, or you're thinking of starting a team, this could be a crucial part of your recruiting strategy, because you're offering something that very few people are willing to offer today, and that is a qualified appointment. So let me just start the whole webinar by steering us off track and talking about the advantages of leveraging this in a recruiting conversation.
Yeah, absolutely. We view this as a complete solution, either just for agents to help grow their business, or like you said, for teams or brokers to help attract agents as well. So, we talk about the 3 big R's for recruiting. Retention, right? So, you want to keep people that you have happy, and feeding them vetted prospects is a good way to do that. And of course, that's going to lead to more transactions in the long run. So you'll grow your revenue that way as well.